The 1v1 scoring zone challenge. Step 1. Invite a best friend to play. Set up a mini pitch with a scoring zone and a goal area to play. Step 2. To score a point, dribble the ball into the scoring zone. If you are not in the scoring zone, you will not be able to score a point. Step 3. Try making the scoring zone narrower to make the game harder.